In the previous video, we understood the trim command in AutoCAD 2027. We learned how to cut or remove extra part from the line, circle, arcs, and other objects. Now, in this video, we're going to learn extend command. The extend command is almost opposite of the trim command. Trim cuts the extra parts. Extend make object longer until they reach to another object or a boundary. For example, if a wall is too short or a line does not reach to another line, you don't need to redraw it again. You can simply extend it. Hi, I'm Dipan and welcome back to Cadelyx. AutoCAD 2027 made simple. Let's understand extend command in a simple way. The extend command is used to make an object longer. Think of it like stretching a line until it touches to another line. The trim is like cutting with scissors. Extend is like pulling a line forward until it reaches to a boundary. So the simple way to remember is this. Extend means making an object longer until it reaches to another object. It does not move the object. It does not copy either. It does not rotate the object. It only increases the length of the selected object up to a boundary. Extend is used a lot when cleaning and completing drawings. In floor plans, you may use extend to make wall lines to meet properly. In the door openings, you may use extend to connect small segments. In mechanical drawings, you may use extend to make the edge touch to another edge. In the practice drawings, extend helps you to fix the lines that are too short. So, when something is almost connected but not enough fully stretched, extend is the command you're gonna use. There are two common ways to start an extend command. The first way is from the ribbon. Go to the Home tab, look at the Modify panel. Here you will find Extend tool. Sometimes trim and extend plays together because they are related commands. Click on the Extend tool. Now, look at the command line. AutoCAD will guide you through the next step. Depending on your settings, AutoCAD may ask you to select the boundary edge, or it may allow you to directly select the objects you want to extend. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple. The next way to start the extend command is by typing. Go to the command line, type EX, and press enter. This starts the extend command. So remember, EX is the shortcut for the extend, just like TR for trim, EX for extend. Typing the shortcut is faster, and this is how many AutoCAD users work professionally. Before using extend, let's understand one simple idea: boundary edge. A boundary is an object where the extended line should stop. For example, imagine one horizontal line is short, and there is one vertical line in front of it. If you extend the horizontal line until to touch the vertical line, then the vertical line is the boundary edge. In simple words, boundary edge tells the AutoCAD where the object should extend up to. So extend needs something to extend forward. Now let's understand the basic extend workflow. First, create one vertical line. Then create one horizontal line that stops before touching the vertical line. Now, type EX and press enter. If AutoCAD asks for the boundary edge, press enter again. This tells AutoCAD to use the available object as boundaries. Now click short horizontal line near the side you want to extend. AutoCAD ends the line until it reaches to the vertical line. This is the basic idea. Start extend command, press enter if needed. Click the object you want to make longer, AutoCAD extend it to the boundary edge. Let's say you have two lines. One line is vertical, the other line is horizontal, but it does not touch vertical line. You want horizontal line to touch vertical line. Start the extend command, type EX and press enter. Press enter again if AutoCAD asks for the boundary edge. Now click the horizontal line near the end that should extend. AutoCAD make the line longer until it touches to the vertical line. This is very useful when lines are close but not connected. Instead of drawing manually, you can extend it accurately. One important thing to understand is that extend is not the same as stretch. Extend makes an object longer until it reaches to the boundary. Stretch changes the shape or length of an object by pulling the selected points. For beginners, keep it simple. If a line is too short and need to be meet to another object, use extend. If you want to reshape an object more freely, that will become later with another editing tool. So remember, extend makes an object reach to another boundary. Extend is not only for straight lines. You can also extend an arc. polylines, and some other objects. For example, if arc needs to be continued until the reach to another object, extend can help. If a polyline segment is shorter and need to be reached to another boundary, extend can help either. But as a beginner, start with the simple straight lines. Once you understand the basic idea, using the extend on another object will become easier. The main idea stays the same. Click object that needs to be short and AutoCAD extend it towards the boundary. Extend works best when there is a clear boundary. That means AutoCAD needs another object to know where the line should stop. If there is no boundary in front of the object, AutoCAD may not extend it the way you expect. For example, if a short line is floating in an empty space, AutoCAD does not know where it should extend to. So, if extend is not working, check this first. Is there any other object acting as a boundary? Is the line pointing towards that boundary? Can AutoCAD reach that boundary if the object is continuous? Most beginner extend problem happens because there is no clear boundary. So let's quickly summarize the extend command. The extend command is used to make an object longer until it reaches to the boundary. You can start it from the Home tab inside the Modify panel. You can also type EX and press Enter to start. Extend is almost opposite of trim. Trim cut extra parts. Extend made shorter objects to longer. Extend work best when there is a clear boundary edge. You can extend lines, arcs, polylines, and other shapes. And remember, extend is used when the object is too short and it needs to be stretched to another object or a boundary. Before we move to the next video, do the small practice. Open a new AutoCAD drawing. Draw a new vertical line. Now, draw one horizontal line that stops before touching the vertical line. Type EX and press Enter. If AutoCAD asks you for the boundary edge, press Enter again. Now, click on the horizontal line near and at the end should extend. AutoCAD should extend the line until it is touched to the vertical line. Now, try another practice. Draw a simple rectangle, but leave one side a bit shorter. Use extend command to make that side reach to corner of properly. Practice this few times so understand how extend makes the object longer towards the boundary. Longer until it reaches to another object. Trim and extend are like a pair. Trim remove extra parts. Extend add length or reach to the boundary. These two commands are very useful for the clean professional plans, wall instructions, mechanical drawings, and practice exercise. In the next video, we'll understand the offset command. The offset command is used to create a small parallel copy of the object to a specific distance. This is very useful for walls, path, boundary, furniture layouts, and many technical drawings. So, in the next lesson, we'll learn how to create a parallel lines and shapes accurately using offset. I'll see you in the next lesson.